Adult learning has the power to lift people out of deprivation and the circumstances surrounding deprivation, and gives them the motivation and the inner strength required to live a full, productive and fruitful life.
I wouldn't do nothing. I'd just drop Bethany off at school, go home, sit in the house, watch TV, clean, and that'd be it. Since I started going to family learning, I go out more. I've got a good network of friends that will support me.
I found that I was starting to get a little bit of depression, and it's taken me out of the house. You know, and it's moving me on.
I did learning helped me to find a new life, and the future with hope.
She's really fed up of working as a cleaner. She really wants a new job. She decided maybe to work in an office, that's the way to go forward. So that's why she's come back to college.
Without these classes, none of us would be here. It wouldn't be possible, we'd be housebound.
I was introduced to a scheme which is run by Parents Partnership called Winter Skills and Summer Skills, and just started seeing more to life than hanging about and getting in trouble. The sport has definitely helped me. It's like another step added to that ladder now.
I have helped 1,200 people this year. 10% have moved into employment, 12% have moved into further education, 40% have accessed further training. I believe without the help and the support of Adult Learners Week, none of this would have been possible.
Being a heroin addict, all you're interested in is going to get that. I got kicked out at 15. I did 2 GCSEs and got grade E. If I hadn't come back to college when I did, I think by now I'd probably end up in prison.
If I hadn't gone back to college, I'd have probably been dead by now from the alcohol. And my baby was born just over 2 years ago now, and I haven't had a touch to drink since. So basically the learning saved my life.